How we doing, guys? I'm the Waterman, and I hope the light is picking this up, rather the camera. What I'm looking at is the reflection of the light on this leaf, and I'm picking up such a plasma discharge from it. And I'm losing it, and then it comes in. There it is, right there. Can you see that? This is a hydrogen reaction of plasma ionization. I mean, it's so intense right there. This is a nuclear reaction of hydrogen ionization. Evidence that space is not empty. It's a reaction of hydrogen ionization. Oh, look at that. It's really setting off a discharge. Thank you so much from the Waterman.